welcome to my channel. Comment and subscribe.
This is a video of how to ventilate. So if you watch this video carefully, you are going to understand every bit of it. So guys, it's self-explanatory. Just carefully watch it, then you practicalize, then you'll be there. So it's just one pattern, following one pattern, repeating one pattern over and over and over again, and you are there. So you can see how I was using my third finger to support it. Just watch it carefully, guys. Watch carefully. This is it. I usually hook. Should I say hook? I don't know which grammar to use here, but basically I say hook. When I want to hook it like this, I hook it from under. That's when I started ventilating newly. That's where I used to hook it from. But basically, you hook from, no, not under, you hook from the other side. You get, but anyone that is better for you, anyone that you find more convenient, you use it instead. So guys, I would like to get your comments from this. Which way do you prefer to hook it? Is it from this side or from the under? So I would like to know what you think about this. If you have actually practicalized before, if you have had the experience before, let's hear from your experience. So guys, please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And to my subscribers, I say thank you guys. And if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, and if you have anything at all, anything that you want me to make video on, you can drop your ideas or opinion, your encouragement. I need it, guys. So guys, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and comment, guys. So tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to create, any video you want me to work on, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to attend to every comment. Okay, if you have a question or anything at all you want to tell me, drop it in the comment section, guys. Can't do this without you guys. Please do it to subscribe, like and share. ask your questions and the rest. Okay. So this is how you do it. You start by practicing. At a point you begin to increase your speed. So just look at how I'm going to pick it from under instead of from this side. I now look it from under. That is how I've been doing it. So how I was doing it when I started ventilating new, when I was new in the system. So that was basically how I was doing it. But when you want to hook it, you pick from the up, or how do I even say it? I guess what I'm saying makes sense, guys. I hope you understand.